But that day, in fact, these people in her plan, Jpac wasted Mamun de Bunego.
Jesus. Jesus.
I have not even started. Daddy, I owe you everything in this life. Who does?
I swear.
Ready for the Second World War? We're not ready. You know, be who starts, they win. Now who? We're not ready. Are you guys ready? Then you never have kidnapped.
I am not plan.
I never
2025 I got already.
I intentionally came back to Nigeria. That doesn't mean that I didn't know that this arrest will take place. I'm a morphoma. I'm a black pussy. And they did not disappoint me. Police.
Bring your contact, make I bring my own.
Fadi too much.
Bring your contact.
I may take my time to come and greet me. They had to order extra security. They would the station course from up and down. Station I'm not like this. I owe you. My brother, I have not even started. Daddy, I owe you everything in this life. Mommy, mommy, I owe you a lot. Contact. Like everywhere we are hot. The police are large. What is going on? Go and ask. It was crazy. The police are raising people. It was hot. Fire was. The iPod. Jpac is no more than Zulu nebe. The no man. Jpac is no more than Zulu nebe. Jpac no more than sponsor.
What's on my phone? I record it. I called it private.
Marquesa haya. Ex-convict is no more than sponsor or non-com man. Ex-convict no more than sponsor. iPod. Now you guys start what you guys cannot finish.
Hey, Ogechi Njaka got the area. Ogechi Njaka
A lot of faith, but you cannot.
A lot of faith. Jpac you will suffer.
Jpac, you are breaking the rules of Anedo.
If you don't hear him finish.
Anedo, the rules of Anedo, you cannot have.
Even some of your contacts got to realize almost. That's your Jpac, your highest contact is my best friend. And you do it. Your highest contact with my best. I come across a bechown no. Men mount. Then it took up them. You shall see to the end of this. Get your ready. And the only king. Get your ready. So relax. We are just starting. Only a word, the only man, mother. I could 1 in a million. I could 1 mad to call. I could contact. Mad to call. And then when into the match on which they will surface in due time. You know, tell you. All the good.
Oh man, deal man. We don't like it all laugh.
But that day, in fact, these people in her plan, Jpac wasted Mamun de Bunego. You get waste more. You go waste more. Jpac, you will suffer.
Please, after watching, subscribe on this channel, share this video, like, comment, write your thoughts in the comment section. Tell me what you think about this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Stay connected on this channel. Subscribe on this new channel. Thank you. God bless you.